Hello travellers, so today I want to do just a really quick video on the Allett wallets. Now I did get sent these for review, but my thoughts and opinions are my own. So usually when I've been travelling, I've been using the Chums Surf Shorts wallet. Now I do really like the format of this one. It has two zips on either side, and it doesn't actually fold in like a bifold manner. So I used coins here, and I put my cards here. And then what I do is I put my cash notes on this side. So the problem with the non-bifold format is that when you have notes, you can't pop them in there with a single fold. It's just not enough room. So you have to fold them 2 times like so, and then you can pop them into this wallet. And I don't actually mind doing that. So in some ways I do kind of prefer this format. But of course with the bifold wallet you can just open it in half and then slide your notes in like so. It also keeps the notes with a single fold, which some people might find looks better, or they just prefer it. So this is the coin pocket wallet. It has a small coin pocket here for your coins, goes all the way to the bottom. And then inside you have a divider and two sides, one for notes, one for receipts, or both for notes, or one or 2 different types of currency. So really great for traveling, this one. You also get 2 pockets here on either side for your cards. So just quickly, this is a slimmy leather wallet. This is one of the first slim travel wallets that I ever tried, and it's a nice leather material and has pockets here that go down on like a triangular format. Allett wallets does offer leather wallets, so you can get traditional leather bifold and other style wallets from Allett if you do want to check those out as well. So the RFID card holder here, this can hold up to 6 cards. I believe that's 3 on either side, but you could probably squeeze a few more in because the material is it's fairly forgiving and it's very lightweight and very slim, as you can see. I should also just quickly mention that all of these wallets here from Allett are made in the USA. Finally, this one here is what they call a sport wallet, and it comes in I think 4 colors. And you get the same, you get 2 card slots here, and then on the inside you have just a single money or note area. Now this is probably the slimmest or the lightest they do, but if you compare it with some of the other ones, it's kind of comparable, because when you pack any of these wallets with cards or money, they're going to get to roughly this amount of thickness. So probably this amount of thickness is the thinnest you'll get. But when of course you unpack it, you will be able to get it very thin, as you can see here, especially if you unfold this one. Just quickly the price on these ones, I believe these two go for $25 US, and this one goes for $35 US. So do let me know down below which of these wallets you think looks best, or which travel wallet you use for traveling. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.